Anna's toy review.
Our surprise.
Is an LOL Crayola?
Studio. It is color my fashion.
Wow. Two balls. What are those?
Our surprise squish and magic hair.
And then the other one.
It is make a cake dress. Our surprise mix and make a cake.
Yay! Are you ready for the LOL toy review, Anna? Yes. Start with your Crayola.
How to open? Open.
Okay. Yay! You have another one, my love.
Razzle dazzle rose.
Yes. Open up. It's an LOL Crayola
How to
Studio.
open? How to
It's now open. There you go. What do you have, Anna?
I have razzle dazzle rose.
Yes, Razzle Dazzle Rose. What's that? Wow!
How to stamp it?
Razzle Dazzle Rose Girl. Look at that. What else you have? I can walk. Page hanger, shoes.
Let's dress up this top.
Okay. Wow, look at that, Anna. It's so pretty, huh?
Woohoo!
Or with the shoes. Razzle Dazzle Rosie Girl. Is that a little mirror? Alright. That is so cute, baby.
We got the razzle dazzle rose girl.
Yes, Razzle Dazzle Rose Girl. Alright. So something on top. Something on top, baby. For coloring. Where's your crayons?
We use the color top.
Okay. Yes. Anna's reading for instructions on how to do this. Whoa, wow.
How we don't have this star?
Which one?
How do we don't have this star?
Is that the same?
Yeah.
That'll be another one, huh?
My dad is right over there.
So Anna's coloring the dresses. Dress styles here too. Dress styles, yay! It's an LOL Crayola edition. Look at that. And she's so pretty. She has furs. And there is Anna coloring the dress.